Welcome to an episode of Jake Alpha Movie Recaps, where I watch movies I haven't seen before, cut down to 10 minutes. I then turn the sound off and narrate for you. This week's episode is brought to us by Mystery Recapped. I'll leave a link to their channel in the description below. There's a short introduction I like to pause after, just so we can get a feel of what's about to happen, and we'll read the very descriptive title, but then it's movie start. Alright, the introduction. Sand, weird sand, hot dog falling into sand, moving boards, this guy's crying, he's hurt, ooh, a cop, pepper spraying, that guy is definitely dead. Alright, let's pause. So, what do we know? There's a carnivorous beach that devours anyone touching the sand. That's the movie title. Well, the characters we have so far are going to be cop, guy who dies in bench, guy dying, looks like he's dying on sand, and yeah, a lot of dead people so far getting hurt. So the obstacle of the story is obviously going to be surviving the man-eating beach setting. It's the beach. The beach is always nice, so the setting isn't bad, even though the rest of the story is a little scary. Resolution to the story. Well, I'm going to say we take on this beach devouring monster and kill it. Everybody kills the beach monster. A lot of people die on the way. I think that's the resolution to this story. Let's see what happens. Alright, so what do we have here? Some people partying on a beach. We're having a great time, hanging out. Oh yeah, making out. That's fun. Drinking some keg stands. This is Mitch. He looks like a cool guy. Could be our hero. Too early to tell. He's looking pretty heroic right now. The crowd loves him. Gilbert Vance. Ooh, the tough dudes. Found a brain. They have a brain. Whew! Gilbert and Vance. Where'd you get that brain? Next day, probably at the beach, waking up. Ooh, Kaylee and Mitch had a good time last night. Shonda, Jonah may have had a good time. Vance, Ronnie also may have had a good time. They're all in the same car, though. A little weird. They could have had a good time together. Alright, here waking up. Oh, look, a bird. It's so pretty. I like birds. Oh, bird is dead. Oh, scary shit. Bird's dead. Everybody, a bird died. What's going on? I saw a bird die. Oh no. Oh, this is a different girl. Look, she's walking on the sand. Ooh, we know the sand's no good though. We know the sand is no good. What's happening? What is happening to our friend? Guys, I saw a bird die. That doesn't matter. Stop talking about the bird. Oh shit. Oh shit, I should have listened to the bird. I should have listened. Alright. We've got a couple of people stuck on the sand. They can't seem to get up. So the sand is sort of like a magnet right now. Oh, worse than a magnet. Worse. Much, much worse. Ooh, a magnet that eats you. Oh no. There he goes. Somebody help him. You help him. You help him. I'm not helping him. I got a dick on my face. I'm not helping. You guys are dicks. Okay. Let's turn this car on. It doesn't work. The car doesn't work. Oh Jesus, no car. We're stuck here. I'm just going to see what happens. Get really close. Dangerous. Ooh, weird looking sand. Weird looking sand. Weird looking sand. Alright, what you doing? Gilbert, stuck in a trash can with a dick on his face. Not a good morning to wake up to Gilbert, even if there wasn't a sand-devouring monster. Alright, Gilbert, what are you going to do? Just sit there? Yeah, Gilbert, just sit there. That's what you'll do. Alright, they're going up to have sex again, obviously. Oh no, they're just crying. Alright, what are they doing? What are they talking about in there? I don't know. But we should talk. Oh, sitting here, bored. Sunscreen, thank you. Oh, Jesus, this is what we needed, sunscreen. At least we won't get cancer, guys. Then, maybe if we survive this, we'll all be cancer-free. Looking around for obstacles that can help us. I see a sleeping bag. Back to the brain. Remember the brain from last night. Somehow that's going to help. What is the brain anyway? I don't know. She doesn't know. Alright. What are you guys doing? Magic. Magic dust. Throw it. Throw the hot dog. Oh, it eats hot dogs. We'll just feed it. Oh, it's gross. Keep feeding the hot dogs. No. Just keep throwing them. Eventually, we can find a spot where it won't eat them. We'll find a path. That's what they're doing. Pathfinding. It took me a while there, guys. They're pathfinding. Alright, go pathfind. I found the path, guys. Using the hot dog strategy. Pretty smart. Alright, I'll give them this. They're pretty smart. Now I'm going to do the surfboard walking. But we saw in the intro the surfboards move. So the surfboard walking might not be great. Oh, this guy. I don't know how he got himself into this position. He could have easily stepped up. Ooh, the tentacles are going to get him. He's hurt, but he's fine. He's fine. He made it. He might be the hero of the story. I haven't called out a hero yet. There doesn't look to be a hero, though. They're all pretty lame. Alright. Alright. He tested it with the banana, and then he jumped. I don't know how that helped. And now he's looking at his stomach, which is obviously hurt from before. Sweating. Oh, Jesus. What did he jump onto? How is he alive? Tosses them water. He seems to be back on the bench. Oh, but he's in pain. Oh, it's squirting from the earlier wound. Gah! I mean, come on, dude. You were fine 5 minutes ago. Nothing else has happened. Oh, here we have the surfboards moving. They're looking. Oh. The beach seems to be rocking the car now. It's strong enough that it's trying to get them while they're inside the car. These girls are coming up with a plan. Now it's bikini girl plan time. What are we going to do, bikini girls? What are we going to do? We're going to stand on the ledge here of the car. Don't do it. It's too risky. You can't stand on the ledge of the car. You'll fall. I can do it. I was a ballerina for 5 years, for Christ's sake. Oh, opening up the trunk. Oh, somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Oh, slipping. Ah! Gosh, she couldn't even get in the trunk. Bikini girl plan failed. But no, they're yelling for help. Oh, it's a cop. I would say he'd save the day, but we did see the introduction earlier where his arm seemed to be getting eaten by the sand, so he's not going to do well. Oh, he's on the sand already. He does not realize what's going on. But look, he seems to be doing alright. His rubber super cop boots are sand beach proof. He's looking at this kid, checking him out. Alright, he probably helped the kid, gave him some first aid, I'm guessing. Now he's helped out the guy stuck in the Gilbert. He helped Gilbert out, and now he's yelling at these kids. Listen, I've done everything here. You're all useless. Don't go for it. Oh, it turns out he may not have helped anyone. He didn't understand how the sand worked. He was just walking around like a dumb cop, and now he's gonna die. Pepper spraying the sand. Not gonna help. Oh God. He's done for. There goes the cop. She grabs the pepper spray. Maybe it'll help, but we know it doesn't. She's pretty good at grabbing stuff off the sand, though. Quick hands, this girl. She's got a couple quick hand moves. Alright, Mitch, what's your plan? Mitch fell, catching the towel. What a bad way to go, Mitch. Why'd you throw in that towel? Bitch. Oh. Now she's kicking off the building, trying to make some sort of bridge, but she just jumped. Oh, punches! Don't throw in the towel! Why'd you throw the goddamn towel short? You knew he was gonna jump for it. Now they're finally helping her. He's alive. He's alive. Alright, we're gonna get to you. Be okay. Gilbert's still doing fine. Gilbert, you haven't helped, but I like your perseverance. And it wasn't Gilbert's fault. Somebody put him in that trash can. You guys are to blame for Gilbert not being able to help. Alright, she's going. She's going. Oh! She's down. She's okay. Oh, no, not okay. Alright. That's that easy? Just tie little, not going bare feet. As long as you're not barefoot, you're fine. Oh my god. How is it that easy? Gilbert, what's happening? Uh-oh. It's going for Gilbert. It's going for his trash can. We know Gilbert dies. We know he's dead. We saw it earlier. Sorry, Gilby. There goes Gilby. Oh, what happened to her? She just fell down. Can't say for sure. Nighttime, they're sleeping. She's with him, but he's dying. Bring me the first aid. I'm bringing it as fast as I can. We're a team. We're friends. Ooh, looks like all the guys are dead and all the girls are alive. Looks like they were the smarter players this time around. One guy left. Snake monster coming in hot. The beach is getting stronger. What are they doing? Fire. Fuck you, beach. Oh, burning, 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 burning. We'll be okay. Next day. Oh, they're walking on the beach. Everything is okay. It looks like they burned it. Everybody is not safe, but some of them managed to survive. And there goes our beach monster, off to terrorize another town. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll leave a link to my favorite Twitch streamer, MoatSimulator, below. Check her out. She streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you want to watch another episode, I'll leave a link to that over here. Thank you very much. Have a great night.